so it is day 12 of our cheese advent calendar and day 1 of our CATVENT. So we have 2. You guys ready? You guys ready to party? Cheese, CATVENT. Cheese, CATVENT. We're going to do cheese first because Boris, hopefully he gets catnip. That'll be fun because I have Boris in here. That's the only one I have in here. I figured I would do one cat at a time. But you know how that works out sometimes. But I have Boris. Boris. Oh, did you hear him? I hope you guys heard him. Mama, come here. Come here, buddy. Come on. See, we got the boy. He's ready for CATVENT. Are you ready for CATVENT? Oh, yeah, he's ready. Are you ready? Look, tell them. Are you ready for CATVENT? Boris. All right, so we're going to do the cheese one first, all right? Day 12. We'll bring her down. She's jumping down. All right, world's prettiest advent calendar. Day 12 is right here at the door knocker. Let me zoom it in. Bring it down. I think after this one, we're going to start having doubles, which is fine. It's fine, because now it's going to be all about the cat. We have, Mediterranean Gouda. That looks exciting. Looks quite yums. Looking good. Mediterranean Gouda is right here. So I'm bring it down. Zoom it in. And it says, there's a glare. Let's see if I can get that glare away. All right, here we go. Try and get it so that it focuses on it. There we go. Well, it's not like we haven't seen the sweet cheese before. All right, so Gouda enriched with tomato, herbs, spices, delivering a true Mediterranean vibe. And then the back, Mediterranean Gouda is down at the bottom. Right there. Says Gouda Gouda cheese, pasteurized cow's milk, black olives, tomato, basil, salt, starter culture, vegetarian rennet, and natural flavoring. It contains milk. All right. Okay. Mediterranean Gouda. That's kind of exciting to me. Sorry, I'm not centered. Boris, we're about to do CATVENT. Ooh, that smells... Let's see, I think that smells like pizza. I'm excited about olives. I love olives. Like black olives. Green olives. Come on. Any kind of olives. I'm down for. That's really good. Let me give some to Michael. I'll be right back. All right, I had to get a sweater. That was cold. Oh, that was a piece of hair. I was holding Mischief Cat while I was talking to Mike Hill. All right, he gives it 5 Krampuses because he says it's smooth. I give it 4 Krampuses because it's still good. It's not disappointing. It's cheese. If cheese becomes a disappointment in my life, that's like saying goodbye to beer. All right, so 4. So we'll give it 4.5. We'll say 4.5 Krampuses for this. All right, let me get Boris over here. Or actually, Boris might. Horse isn't feisty anymore. All right, let's try and open up this CATVENT calendar. I know I should have things to cut things, but I never do. I think I left scissors outside when I did Yoda. So I was outside playing with Yoda while Michael was working on the Japanese car. Okay. Oh my gosh! Look how cute! That is so dang cute. Let's get Boris. Boris! Let's see if we can get Boris over here. For day 1 of CATVENT. Ready, Boris? Are you ready, Boris? Look! 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 Look, look! Boris, look! Look, day 1. There's day 1. Hey, what's in day 1? Hey, look, look. Oh! Look, Boris! Look what you get. Kitty nip sticks. We'll bring you back up. Oh, Bort, look. Here's the little bring it. Kitty nip sticks. He loves kitty nip sticks. Oh, he just whacked him out of my hand. You want to take the bow off? How do we take the bow off? Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let's see if I can get him to turn around his face this way. Can you guys see him? Hold on. Hold on. We're stuck. Hold on. I gotta figure out how to get the kitty nip sticks off. He wants them. Here we go, buddy. Why would they put glue? Ugh. Here. Here you go, buddy. Let me turn it around. Oh, they're on the ground. Kitty nip sticks. Oh, now he's gone forever. Where'd you go? There he is. And he's gone again. You hear him? He's like, I know there's another one, lady. But this one has string on it. Let me try and get the string off. There we go. What? It's CATVENT. Nip. Oh, he's being weird. He's like, all eyes are on me. He loves kitty nip sticks. Oh, so sorry. His head's, he's being so cute. That's my baby. Are you licking yourself or the stick? I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. There you go. That's day 1 of kitty nip. Hold on. I said kitty nip, but I meant CATVENT. So he got, oh, gotta throw that away. There's a little thing in it. So that was day 1 of catnip, or CATVENT. He's going crazy now. These dang kitty nip sticks. He loves these things. Like, he's going crazy right now. Oh man, I gotta turn around so y'all. You do not judge my filming room. He's going crazy. Like, we have sewing machines and stuff because we're doing a craft channel too. Sorry for the crazy light. Here. Is it stuck, buddy? He's staring at it like it's going to do something. But there you go. There's some behind the scenes of the filming room. It's still not put together all the way. We're still playing with it. No, he's playing with everything. But those kitty nip sticks, like, those are like primo mwah, chef kiss to that boy. I think he's actually the only one that likes it. Do you hear him in the background? He's going, he's such a big boy. Oh my God, hold on. Sorry for the light. It's terrible. There's another tripod. That's the horse filming tripod. Like, see this stuff? We have so much stuff to still fix in this room. And there's all that craft and opening stuff. Like, y'all, you have no idea. Yep, there he goes. There he goes. He loves kitty nip sticks. I love him. He's the cutest. I love him so much. So I will say CATVENT Day 1 was a success. I will say we will give him, we're going to say he's going to give it a 5. We're going to do 5 crazy kitties. All right, guys. I love you. We'll see you for day 13, Friday the 13th. Bye.